Hey, Jason James here from Tom O'Brien in Greenwood. And you know, there's a first time for everything. We recently got the soft top JL Unlimited Wrangler here in stock, and I haven't put the top down yet. Well, let's see how easy it really is, since here's somebody, myself, haven't done any type of training on it or anything like that. I'm just going to tackle it. Let's see how easy this is to put down and how long it takes. All right, well, I do know something about the JK Wrangler, and that they had latches up here, so let's check those out. All right, yeah. All right, there's a latch there. Another one there. Okay. All right, step one complete. All right, so I think the second step is taking the back window out, so we'll go ahead and do that. Success! All right, third step, side window. Got it. All right, so far I've been struggling with this second side window. The first one just popped right out. Let's check out what's going on here. All right, so apparently I didn't pull hard enough. Gotta give this a good yank right down here to unlatch this spot right here. All right, done. Okay, to finish out putting the soft top down, I hear there's a latch right here. Oh yeah, and supposedly it just folds down. All right, we now have the soft top down, and what we want to do is make sure that it's locked so that when you're driving down the highway, this doesn't catch wind and just decide to come riding up on you. And I've seen that happen. Some people post about that in the JL forums. But there is a way to make sure that that does not happen by locking it down, and here's what we're going to do. Okay, so right back here behind the seat belt, push this out, and you'll see that this has a small mechanism on it. You can just pull down with your hand. Okay, so I'm pulling this down. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then once those are down, what I'm going to do is going to take this and go ahead and put some weight on this and just lower it down and listen for this to click. I heard two clicks, so I heard this one click to lock, and the same thing over here. We've clicked it and it's locked down in the lock position. So now this isn't just going to come riding up because it's actually locked down right where it's supposed to be. And then you'll notice too that these don't just kind of like click back to the unlock position when you try to tap them, because they're actually, locked up. So to get these to unlock, all you have to do is we're gonna put the top back up, push this down a little bit, and then it'll pull right up.